Hi everyone, it is Patrick and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Hi, how are ya? So in my last video, I made my return to YouTube with my pumpkin spice latte video. And in today's video, I'm going to show you all how you can make the pumpkin cream chai at home. Like, it is so simple and easy. If this is your favorite drink, you need to make it from home right now. I feel like every year there's like a new hot drink. And even though this isn't new, I think it came out last year. I feel like everyone is talking about this pumpkin cream chai. For a few years, it was the pumpkin spice latte. For a couple years, it was the pumpkin cream cold brew. But I feel like for the past few years, it's been this pumpkin cream chai that everyone is talking about. I feel like I just see it everywhere. So I thought it would be the perfect time to show you all how you can make it from home. Also, I got this new lighting setup and I'm using a microphone to hopefully improve the audio quality a bit. So please let me know how this is. Do you like it? I think it looks pretty good from what I've seen so far, but I'm just trying to up my video quality a little bit. I want to look somewhat decent. But yeah, I just feel so professional now. Oh my gosh, this is a whole production. So yes, I've been a chai lover for years and years and years. I have quite a few videos on my channel here showing you how to make different chai drinks. It's just the best thing ever. One thing I keep on getting roasted about is apparently I used to say chai tea latte, and I still do that sometimes. But then everyone in my comments was like, Patrick, you don't have to say chai tea. People were telling me that actually means tea latte. It kind of cancels each other out. I'm like, oh. I had no clue. Yeah, the more you know. Apparently you can just call it a chai latte and that's totally okay, which is less words that I have to use. So I actually like that a lot better. But yes, like I said, this is actually so simple to make from home. I will have the full recipe listed down below as well as the things I used in this video. There will be some affiliate links that you could use down below. If you want to support this channel a little bit, I would really appreciate it. If you don't want to use those links, just don't use those links. But yes, please give this video a thumbs up. Leave a comment down below, what is your go-to drink at Starbucks right now? That is one fact I just love learning about people. I think you can learn so much about a person from that answer. So yeah, I'm really curious to see what your go-to drink right now is. And subscribe to this channel if you have not already. I am back to filming and posting videos and I want y'all to stick around for it. So yes, if you have not already, please go ahead and subscribe. Also follow me on Instagram. I'm getting back to posting over there and I sometimes post behind the scenes pictures of filming days, so that's pretty fun as well. But yes, without further ado, let's go ahead and get on with this video. Okay, so the first thing we're gonna need to do is make our chai latte. I'm just in this era of my life where I just want things to be easy. Any way that I can make my life easier, I'm gonna take it. So to make the chai latte today, I'm just using chai concentrate. I'm using the brand Tazo. This is not sponsored. I really wish it was sponsored. I love this chai concentrate so much. I could give them such a good endorsement. Tazo, hit me up. But yes, I'm just using the Tazo classic chai latte concentrate. You can find this in the grocery store. It is so easy. They have this one, they have an organic one if you're feeling organic. They have a skinny one if you're feeling skinny. I should have picked that one up. Oh, okay. I'll know for next time. But I actually just really like the taste of just the classic one. I think it's really good. And this just has all the tea, all the spice just ready to go so that you can just make your chai latte in 2 minutes. I know this video is longer than 2 minutes, but I like to talk. So you just take equal parts of this and milk and combine it and then your latte is done. So I'm just going to take my Starbucks cup. I feel like when you make Starbucks copycat drinks, you need to use a Starbucks cup. I have this one and then I have a reusable one that I use, but it just makes it taste better. So the first thing I'm gonna pour into the cup is 3/4 of a cup of milk. I'm just being super boring and basic and just using regular milk, but this is amazing with oat milk. If you have oat milk, please do it with oat milk. That just changes this drink up so much. It takes it to another level, really. 3/4 of a cup going in. And then like I said, it's equal parts milk and chai concentrate. So I'm just gonna give this a shake and then pour in 3/4 of a cup of this into the cup. Okay, 3/4 of a cup of the chai concentrate going into the milk. And then that's our chai latte. Was that not like so easy? I'm obsessed with that. Okay, so we have the milk and the chai in here. Now I'm just going to set this aside while we make the pumpkin cream cold foam, which is honestly the best part of this drink. Okay, so it is time to make our pumpkin cream cold foam. It sounds like fancy and like, oh my gosh, that's like so bougie, but I swear it is so easy. You can do this. So you're just gonna take like a 1 cup liquid measuring cup, and this is where we're gonna mix everything together. The first thing you're gonna pour in is 2 tablespoons of milk. Then you're gonna pour in 2 tablespoons of heavy cream. So the next thing we're gonna add is 2 tablespoons of our pumpkin spice syrup. I actually showed you all how to make that in my last video, but I'm gonna give you like the Spark Notes version right now. Add 1/2 cup of water and 1/2 cup of sugar to a small pot. Bring that to a boil, then add 2/3 of a cup of pumpkin puree, a whole can of sweetened condensed milk, 1/2 teaspoon of pumpkin pie spice, a dash of salt. Then you're just gonna cook that over low heat for 1 minute, and then your sauce is good to go. Oh my gosh, hi, welcome back. So you just found out how to make this sauce. Pour in 2 tablespoons of this into the cup. Everything is like 2 tablespoons. Okay, we're gonna break the 2 tablespoon rule just for a little bit, and we're gonna add 1 pump of vanilla syrup into this. 1 pump going in. I don't know why that's so satisfying. I love that. Okay, so we have all of our ingredients in this little liquid measuring cup, and now we can take the most wonderful kitchen tool to ever exist. I've had this for years and it has never failed me once. But yes, this is an electric milk frother that just makes the best cold foam ever. I will have the one I used linked down below. Trust me, I've had it for so many years and it's just like the best thing ever. So you're just gonna take this frother and stick it into the measuring cup and then froth until it's like creamy and foamy and frothy. Yeah, just do that. Yes, cold foam. Okay, so while this is going, like, what are y'all watching on TV right now? I am so into Big Brother. Like, it's ridiculous. This season is so good. I loved Tucker so much. He caused so much chaos. He was so just sweet and charming. I loved him. Yay! Okay, this is all just foamy and wonderful and like amazing. So this is an iced drink, so let me go add ice. Okay, y'all, so I added some ice and I left like a good bit of room at the top of the cup for the cold foam because just the more of this stuff you can get in here, the better. This is like seriously addictive. So now we can just pour this on top of the latte. And finally, I'm just gonna sprinkle it with a little bit of pumpkin pie spice just to make it extra festive and yummy. Okay, you all, so we have finally made it to the end of the video and my favorite part of the video where I get to try this drink. It looks so good. I am so excited. We have like the chai latte on the bottom and then the pumpkin cream cold foam on top. This is everything. So now let's get to the best part where we actually get to try it. This is so good. Got the chai. We get the spiciness from the chai, the cardamom, the cinnamon, the ginger. It's so wild because there's no pumpkin in like the actual chai. There's really just 2 tablespoons of the pumpkin sauce in the foam. But it has such a strong like pumpkin spice flavor to it that just makes this drink just beyond. This will just set your day off on like the best note ever. I will have the full recipe listed down below as well as like things I used in this video. Thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate it. If you love this video, please be sure to give me a thumbs up, leave a comment down below and subscribe to my channel. But thank you all so much for watching. I truly appreciate it and I will see you all in my next video. Bye.